Oh, there. And it's just running down off the road. It was running down my driveway. And like I said, I had a trench up here. So I come up and cleaned it out a little bit. So now you can see the water's not running down my driveway, but it's running down the trench. Or a little drop off, whatever you want to call it. And you can just see the water pouring down, going to the river now. Still raining, so, but it's not running down my driveway like it was. Now the only water that's running down is the rain that's hitting it, which that's probably also what helped flooded me before. It was just running down. That was before I even put the cement in. But then they just redid our road, and they really got it all messed up. There's all kinds of stuff up here now. But I cleaned that trench out, or drop off, 2-inch drop. You can just see the water. I still ain't got it all clean, but the water's running from there over. It's just running off the road. But everything that's coming down the hill, it's all coming from up there. It's all downhill from up there. And it's all sloped over this way. You can see that big mud puddle right there. You can see all the water just flowing. But the rice fields are all soaked up now. But yeah, I need to come up here when it's not raining and finish cleaning this out. Every time it rains, all them smaller stones and everything just keep building up right there, all along that. It's a good 2-inch drop. It's all running over there now. Yeah, I was getting soaked when I was leaning over. I wanted to get it to quit running down my driveway. So I come up and clean that out. I'm running there, there. And over here is the biggest part of it is. It's just all running downhill. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk at you later. Have a good day.